Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a thrilling and maybe a little terrifying journey into the world of insects. But we're not talking about your average ladybug or butterfly. Oh no. Today we're counting down the top 10 deadliest insects on Earth. These creepy crawlies pack a powerful punch, so get ready to be amazed and maybe a little scared by their venomous abilities and disease-carrying potential. Remember, knowledge is power, so this video is for educational purposes only. Number 1, bullet ant. Let's start with a sting you won't forget. The bullet ant, found in the rainforests of Central and South America, has a legendary sting. Nicknamed for its intensity, some describe it as being shot with a bullet. The pain is temporary, but this ant's powerful sting is a reminder to respect these tiny warriors. Number 2, robber fly. These aerial predators found worldwide are aptly named. Robber flies are ferocious hunters that snatch other insects in mid-air, injecting them with a paralyzing venom before feasting. While their venom isn't harmful to humans, their aggressive hunting style is a sight to behold. Number 3, Bombardier beetle. These beetles, found in various parts of the world, have a unique defense mechanism. When threatened, they can spray a hot, noxious chemical compound from their abdomen with a popping sound. This not only deters predators, but can also burn skin and irritate eyes. Number 4, Lonomia obliqua caterpillar. Found in southern Brazil, the Lonomia obliqua caterpillar, also known as the hairy stinging caterpillar, is no cuddly critter. Covered in venomous spines, contact can cause a painful reaction, including localized bleeding and even organ failure in severe cases. Number 6, Botflies. Found in various parts of the world, Botflies are parasitic insects with a gruesome life cycle. Adult flies lay their eggs on or near mammals, including humans. The eggs hatch into larvae, which burrow into the host's skin or flesh, causing painful sores and infections. Number 7, paper wasp. As mentioned earlier, paper wasps, found worldwide, can deliver a painful sting, especially if they feel their nest is threatened. While the sting itself is rarely fatal to healthy humans, multiple stings or allergic reactions can be serious. Number 8, giant huntsman spider. While not technically an insect, they're arachnids. Giant huntsman spiders deserve a mention. These large, hairy spiders found in Southeast Asia and parts of Africa have a venomous bite. While the venom is rarely fatal to humans, it can cause pain, swelling, and nausea. The real scare factor? Their size. Some giant huntsman spiders have a leg span exceeding 12 inches. Number 9, Australian funnel web spider. We mentioned this spider in the intro, but it deserves a full spot on the list. Found in eastern Australia, Australian funnel web spiders are aggressive and have a highly venomous bite. Their venom can cause muscle paralysis and respiratory failure, and without prompt treatment, can be fatal to humans. Number 10, cone snail. These brightly colored marine snails found in tropical waters pack a powerful punch. Cone snails inject a venom through a harpoon-like barb that can paralyze or kill fish and shellfish. For humans, A cone snail sting can be excruciatingly painful and can even cause respiratory failure in severe cases. Number 11. Leafhopper. Leafhoppers might seem harmless, but some species in Africa and South America carry a parasite that causes Chagas disease. Similar to the kissing bug, leafhoppers can transmit the parasite through their bites, leading to potentially life-threatening heart problems. So there you have it, our top 10 deadliest insects on Earth. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. While these insects can be dangerous, it's important to remember they play a vital role in the ecosystem. What insect surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe our channel. Stay safe out there.